who are the people supporting the killers, and they now name them Fulani herdsmen. This is not true. I have a proof that is before the media already. Why we are not telling the people, why we are not reporting this thing the way we should report it, that is the answer I don't have. I don't know why. But I will tell you today that those who killed the Reverend Father in Benue State, those who killed the Reverend Father in Benue State, one of them is one of the eight, and he's not a Muslim. He's one of the eight of the governor of Benue State, arrested by the police, confessed as I speak. Why is it that the media refuse to take these things up and tell the world? But because if they know, if they tell the world will see that some of these things has nothing to do with Fulani herdsmen. That doesn't mean that there are no fights of Fulani herdsmen and farmers. Yes, there are some. It has been before I was born. It has been like that before now. The fights, the quarrel, the settle. But some people just want to score a political point. And they knew that for corruption, they can never get Muhammadu Buhari. They know that for sure. So he cannot steal money. So how can we bring this man that will never steal money? How can we bring him down? The same houses he owns since God knows how many years is still the same. He's not a president who takes 10% or 5%. They know all this. So the best way to destroy him is to use the name, coil his people. Or can we all just think for 1 second? Do you think a Fulani man who has a Fulani as a president would deliberately carry gun and ask cameramen to video him and start killing people and then post it on social media just to destroy their own brother's government? Common sense tells us that that is not true. But some people will create these things in order to destroy the government because they are scared that if Buhari gets there for the second term, some of these unscrupulous and misguided elements knows that they are going to be in deep shit. This is the reason where they are doing all this fight, and they are making us to believe what is not true.